How many people did I just kill right there? Oh my goodness. Let's go. That's lit. In here, maybe? Possibly. Yeah, someone's got to be in there. Right? Hold on. Let's go up here. Oh, yeah. Someone's definitely in there. Let's go. How many more people are up there? Okay. Oh, they were all in here. Oh, he's dead. I'm sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. GG. What size donate you could buy? The highest donation you could do is 500. The Beast family. The highest donation you could possibly do is 500. Using the super chat. Boys, I think I might last night when we did hide and seek, I lost, okay? But this time /spawn jade hammer. /spawn jade _ hammer. Did we get it? Yes, we did. Okay, perfect.
From factories to financial.
All right, I know someone. So I saw someone over here. He was running. He was running.
Each workplace requires different skills.
Where's he at?